So everyone, today we're gonna start with a new verb, and the verb is the verb alle. Okay. Now this is again one of the most common irregular verbs and the most important ones. Yeah, one of the most important one um in entire language, in entire French, is verb aller. Okay, very important verb. And what does it mean? Does anybody know what is the meaning of verb aller?
To go.
To go.
To go, correct. Right. So basically, we can use it for destinations, right? Because the translation is to go. And it can also slightly step into the near future whenever we talk about to go. For instance, I am going to eat my food, right? So that is also, it can also be used to talk a little about future, right? So we learn about it. Let's get started. Okay. Now, verb aller translates as to go in English. For instance, giving you a small example, je vais à l'école. I go to school. Or again, I am going to school. It can have two translations, remember. In French language, present simple, present continuous is the same, right? Now, let's learn the conjugation, everyone. And I want you to repeat with me. Okay, everyone, repeat. Je vais,
Je vais.
Je vais.
tu vas,
Tu vas.
Tu vas.
elle va,
Elle va.
Va.
nous allons,
Nous allons.
Nous allons.
vous allez,
Vous allez.
Vous allez.
elles vont.
Elles
Ils vont.
Yeah. Now, if I have to say it in negation, now you guys try. How will I say I am not going?
Je ne vais pas.
Very good. Je ne vais pas. Next, tu.
Tu ne vas pas.
Very good. And then elle.
Il ne va pas.
Correct. Nous.
Nous ne allons pas.
Correct. Nous n'allons pas. So this one will convert to an apostrophe since two vowels are coming together. With vous,
Vous n'allez pas.
vous n'allez pas. Okay. Okay. Next. Elles.
Ne vont pas.
Very good. Elles ne vont pas. Is this clear, everyone? This conjugation is clear?
Yeah.
Oui.
Okay. I'll continue. Okay. Let's see if you remember. Okay. Everyone. Je
vais.
vais. Tu
Va. Va.
il
Va.
va. Nous
Allons.
nous allons. Vous
Vous allez.
elles
Vont.
vont. Remember. Yeah, remember the conjugation, very important. Okay, this is a very important verb. Through this verb, we can make even one tense in French, which is future simple. Okay. Now, how to use verb aller in a sentence? So, for instance, je vais à l'école. I am going to the school. Now, if I say he's going to the market, does anybody know why have we written or instead of a or marché? What does this mean? Anybody knows this? What is this
Can
or?
you repeat it?
Is it not a grocery store?
Yeah. Marché is market, grocery store, yeah. But why have we used this preposition or? Why have we not used a? Okay. So this is something that I'm going to explain you. Please listen to the
Because it's masculine.
correct. That's true. Now let's see. So prepositions merge together. In French language, we never write a and le together. Instead, we will always write o. So if the place is masculine, we will not write a, le. Instead, we'll write o. For example, au marché. I'm going to the market because market happens to be masculine. This form does not exist in French. Nobody will ever write a and le together. It's grammatically incorrect. So please always use the form or whenever the place that you're referring to is going to be masculine. Yeah? Is it clear? Did you understand? Can somebody give me
Yes.
another example of a masculine place? Any place?
Cinéma.
Or
Je
cinema?
vais,
Correct. Je vais au cinéma.
je vais au
Je
cinéma.
vais au cinéma. Since cinema also happens to be masculine, I will not write it as a le cinema. No, this is grammatically incorrect. Please remember, a le form does not exist. Instead, you always write au cinema. Now, when it's feminine, when the place that you're referring to is feminine, maison, for instance, a la remains a la. This form need not change. A la remains a la in French. A plus the. So when I say I am going to the house, je vais à la maison. Totally depends upon the gender of the place. Can anybody give me any other example?
Je vais à la piscine.
À la?
Piscine.
À la?
Swimming pool.
Pas compris.
Piscine. Swimming pool.
Piscine.
Piscine.
Je vais à la piscine. Yeah. I'm going to the swimming pool. Je vais à la piscine. Yeah. So we will do places also so that you can form more better sentences in French, right? But for now, whatever vocab you know through Duolingo and the other things that you do. But remember, if the place is feminine, we write à la. Okay. Next. A and L apostrophe is used whenever the place that you're going to starts with a vowel. For example, je vais à l'école. Je vais à l'école. Anybody would like to give any other example?
Je vais à l'université.
Very good. Je vais à l'université. Je vais à l'université. Excellent. Super. And if the place is plural, okay, then we use AUX and the pronunciation is O. A plus les form also does not exist in French. So what will we do is we'll merge A and les and the product is O. This is also pronounced as O. This is also pronounced as O. AU and AUX. Both of them are pronounced as O. Okay. But in written, you will, of course, you will have to add an X. So for instance, je vais au magasin. I go to, I'm going to the shops, right? Or any other example? Well, plural will be difficult. But does anybody know what's United States of America?
Les États-Unis.
Correct. Je vais aux États-Unis.
États-Unis.
États-Unis in French is, guys, United States of America. And this country is plural. We'll also do countries and, nationalities very shortly, next to next class. Yeah. Je vais au magasin, je vais aux États-Unis. So basically, the crux is that remember that a and le form does not exist in French. So instead we use o. And a and le also does not exist in French. So instead we use o, aux. But ala and L apostrophe, these forms exist, so you can continue making sentences with them as it is. Is it clear so far?
Oui.
Everyone,
Oui.
because this is a very
Oui.
important concept. And a lot of people don't get it straight. First go. Yeah? Okay, moving on. Okay. Negation. Okay. Now see. If we have to make sentence in negation, please remember the rule. Ne plus verb plus pas. Je vais à l'école is an affirmative sentence. In negative, it is je ne vais pas. In interrogative form, we can say tu vas à l'école, or what was the other form that we learned to ask questions? Do you guys remember?
Est-ce que
Est-ce.
est-ce que
Very good.
Vous, allez,
Est-ce tu vas
vous,
à l'école?
à l'école?
l'école.
Est-ce que tu vas à l'école? Yeah. So remember, always, please, your verbs should be absolutely, absolutely correct. Okay. So please remember, verbs are very, very important, and learning the affirmation, negation, interrogation should be on your tips, because going forward, we will not be teaching you negation and interrogation of all the verbs that are going to, that we're going to learn. Rather, we would just teach you the affirmative part. The negation and interrogation, by default, you should know. Right? Okay. This we'll do later. This is near future. This is another tense. But let's quickly check your memory, everyone. Je, quickly tell me the answer.
Je vais.
Oui.
Je vais.
Je vais à
Je
l'école.
vais.
If I want to negate this sentence, what will I write?
Je ne vais
Je
pas
ne
à
vais
l'école.
pas à l'école.
À l'école. If I have to do it in interrogation, what will I do?
Est-ce que
Est-ce que je...
je vais à l'école?
Very good. Mhm. Est-ce que je vais à l'école? Next, this one, nous.
Allons.
Nous allons.
Nous
Nous allons.
Nous
allons.
allons.
Or marcher negation would be?
Nous,
Nous non.
Nous
Nous
n'avons
nous
marcher.
allons pas.
Nous n'allons pas au marché. In interrogation, it will be?
Est-ce que nous
Est-ce que
nous
nous
au marché?
allons au marché?
Allons marcher.
Good. Next, Elle.
Vont.
Elle va.
Elle va.
Elle va.
Negation would be?
Elle n'en va pas à la maison.
Pas à la maison. And interrogation would be?
Est-ce que elle n'en va pas? Non. Est-ce que elle va à la maison?
Correct. Est-ce qu'elle va à la maison? Very good. Yeah. Is this part clear? Affirmation, negation, interrogation of verb aller? Yes, everyone. I hope you've also
Yes.
learned the conjugation in the class itself.
Oui.
Now, okay. Can you all make 2 sentences each and write it in the chat? Make 2 sentences with verb aller. Different, any sentence that you feel like. You can use with je, tu, any subject pronoun. In affirmation, negation, interrogation, whatever works. Quick, quick, quick. Je vais au marché. Nous allons à la maison. Okay, Preet. Try to use different vocab. Je vais. Where is the preposition, Prachi? Je vais à Lille. Je vais
Abby.
à Lille. I'm going to the island. À L apostrophe. Je vais à la plage. Je vais au centre commercial. Good, Vidya. Good, good, good. Okay. I have a small assignment also for you for tomorrow so that we understand the next 2 classes in a better way. Is that I want you to learn some places, any 5 places in French with of course the gender. Okay, if you don't know the gender, tu vas à la boulangerie, good Preet. Je vais à l'école, all right. Okay, 5, 6 different places, but we'll also add some more vocabulary to the places that we'll do very shortly tomorrow and day after. But it'll be great if you can add like 5 places with genders, just 5 new. 3, 4 we've already learned. Apart from that, just add 5 to 6 new places because tomorrow also whatever we're going to do will involve places, right? So it's better that you just get the hang of certain vocabulary words around places that you can go to. Try to make sentences because tomorrow we're going to do another verb which is going to be venir. Venir is to come. So aller is to go, venir is to come. So we're going to do that. We're going to quickly recap contractive articles again, and we'll add some vocabulary around places as well. All right. So that's it for today, everyone, from my side. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Yes. Please
Yes.
revise. Please do the homework. Merci alors. À bientôt.